happened to me happened today. Wait for the story. Okay, y'all, I am literally shook beyond words at what happened today when I went to go pick up Avy Bird at my parents' house. Spoiler alert.
There's a bit of backstory required. This afternoon, when I called to check on Avy, my mom told me that there was a bird stuck in the pipe above their water tank heater.
Being the kind soul that I am, I really wanted that bird out of there because I didn't want it to die. And if it did die, well, if it did die, I was concerned that it was going to smell too. And how were they going to get a dead bird out of there rather than an alive bird? I didn't know.
My mom didn't know what to do. My dad was at work, and I kept offering to call people, but she told me no, she didn't want me to.
While we were on the phone, the bird kept sticking his little tiny tail feathers out the end of that hole, so we thought he was a little sparrow in there. I felt even worse when I thought it was a sparrow because those little guys are so cute when they hop on your lawn and eat like the grass seed and bugs and stuff. They're so cute. So flash forward to about 5:30 when I get there to pick up Avy Bird this afternoon. The bird is still in the pipe. No one knows what to do.
Well, I get there, and I feel so bad that that bird is in there that I decide it needs a name. So I named her Baby Jessica. I mean, I couldn't think of a better name than Baby Jessica. One was trapped in a well with water, and the other one was trapped in a pipe above water, so
I think my dad has a soft spot for Baby Jessica, and he wants her out too. So we put our heads together and come up with a plan. So my dad takes the pipe apart, and I put some bread just outside of the pipe so that Baby Jessica will come down and get some food. I also played some YouTubes of sparrow songs to make Baby Jessica feel more comfortable so she would come out. I'm so sweet. Spoiler alert, Baby Jessica didn't come out when that happened. So I'd been there about 45 minutes and it was time to go.
since it was time to go, I gathered up Avy, I put her scarf on, and she ran in the kitchen to go get her lunch bag, and so I could put her hat on.
This is where I got so shook, y'all. I don't even know how I functioned.
Avy and I get into the kitchen, and I hear a noise and look to my left into the utility room, and oh my God, Baby Jessica is out of the pipe, and Baby Jessica isn't a sparrow, it's a giant blackbird.
She might not have been a legit blackbird, but she was big and black, and so that makes her a blackbird. My parents called her a crackle, but I've never heard of a crackle. So, being the excellent mother that I am, I'm so shook. I screamed, ran out, and left my baby alone with a crackle. My parents heard me scream and yelled, "What's going on?" And I screamed, "Oh my God, it's Baby Jessica, and she's giant!"
They both run into the room to see what's going on. My mom's yelling, "What about Avery?" And Avery's just standing there, and she just keeps yelling.
What is that? What is that? So, I stand there and yell, "Avery, please come back, come back!"
In the midst of all this, Avery will not leave the room. I'm scared to go back in. I'm trying to drag her out by the back of her shirt when my mom goes running by. Let me get a blanket. We can catch it with a blanket. So I push Avery out. I run in so my dad can get the door open.
My dad's got the door open. I'm swooshing at the crackle with Avery's coat, and I'm screaming because it keeps dive bombing. And as the bird is dive bombing me, Avery's now in the room with the crackle and me, yelling, "What is that?" My mom comes by with the blanket. I just can't take it anymore, and I say, "I'll get the door," and I step outside. And as I do that, as I get outside, I turn around to see the bird fly out of the utility room into the kitchen while Avery screams, "What is that?"
I'm standing outside the door yelling, "Swoosh it out! Swoosh it out!" While I'm hearing things go crashing as the crackle lands on things
little hydraulic pump on your door. I get back in the house where my mom has scooped Avery up, who is still screaming, "What is that?" and laughing as the crackle knocks things off of things.
As I get back in the kitchen, the crackle flies over my head back into the utility room, and my dad goes chasing it, trying to get it out. It's utter pandemonium. Avery's yelling, "What is that?" as the bird is dive bombing my dad, and I'm just terrified.
Literally, I'm terrified. I have to pee. I'm trying not to scream every 2 seconds or hit the floor when the bird goes flying by. And I don't know if I mentioned I am scared of birds. So, all of a sudden, the bird dive bombs my dad. And just magically, it flies out the door. But none of us are really sure that it went out the door for a second. I'm like, I think it went out the door. Shut the door. So literally, I'm like, shut the door. I don't want the bird to come back in the door. And I'm so relieved. I'm so relieved at this point that I just start laughing.
I'm literally laughing so hard that I'm pretty sure I'm about to pee my pants, and meanwhile, Avery is still sitting there looking around yelling,
What is that? So, I mean, basically, baby Jessica's alive. She's traumatized. I'm traumatized. And my parents keep saying, "Oh yeah, you're really good under pressure. You're really good under pressure." Well, what I have to say about that is,
Baby Jessica had been trapped in that pipe for 24 hours, and my mother led me to believe that it was a sparrow, not some giant bird.
I'm expecting a tiny sparrow that is traumatized and weak with hunger that I was just going to carry out like some Cinderella movie.
What I am not expecting is some giant, aggressive bird named a Crackle that was out for blood. I swear, it would have clawed us.
So basically, I'm shook within an inch of my life. Baby Jessica is fine. Baby Avery is fine.